Let me tell you something some women don't want to hear. If you're broke right now and you're waiting for a man to come and change your life, then you have a problem. Because when men are broke, they don't sit down and wait. They move. They look for what to do. They figures it out. But for some women, you are waiting for help, waiting for a man, waiting for life to somehow change. And that mindset is the reason nothing is changing. This is not an attack. This is a wake-up call. Because let's be honest, as a woman, it is easy to think that someone will come, someone will help me, my time will come. So you relax, you wait, you depend on hope. But when you are waiting, life is moving. People are growing, people are moving, people are building something, and you are still in one place. Look at your life right now. Be honest with yourself. How many things have you delayed in your life because you are waiting? Waiting for money, waiting for opportunity, waiting for connection, and because of that, you are not moving. Let me ask you something. What is your actual plan as a woman? Is your plan when I meet the right man, when somebody help me, when things get better? Because if this is your plan, then you don't have a plan. You are depending, and dependence will limit your life. Stop asking who will help me and start asking, what can I do with what I have right now, even if it's small? Because the women who grow are not the ones who wait. They are the ones who move. You don't need everything. You don't need a perfect condition. You can learn a skill, start something, improve yourself, even if nobody supports you, because growth starts from you. Let me be honest with you again. No man is coming to build your life. And even if he comes, what will you bring? Because if you don't build yourself, you will depend forever. And let me say something many women don't think about. If you finally meet the man that you have been waiting for, even if he come into your life and start taking care of everything, you will lose something, and that is respect. Because when a man feels like he's carrying you completely, like your life depends on him, the dynamic changes. He might not say it immediately, but over time, you will feel it. Sometimes he will sound like, I don't blame you. What do you even bring? You don't understand how things work. And it hurts. But the truth is, you put yourself in that position. Because when you don't build anything for yourself, you don't just lose money, you lose yourself, you lose your voice, and sometimes you lose respect. But when you are a woman who is building something, even if it's small, but at least you are doing something, there is there is different level of respect that comes with it. Because now you are not depending, you are contributing, you are standing on your own, and that changes everything. As a woman, your power is not in waiting, it is in building your mind, your skills, your confidence, your independence. Because when you build yourself, you don't beg for opportunity, you attract it. Stop seeing yourself as someone waiting to be helped, and start seeing yourself as one who creates her own life. Because the way you see yourself determines how you behave. You don't change your life by hoping. You don't change your life by waiting. You change your life the moment you decided that I don't want to stay here anymore. Stop waiting for a man to change your life. Become a woman who can change her own life. If this is the kind of content you like, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and comment, so that whenever I post a video, you will be first to be notified. Bye.